Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07384811382, and today we have a 2012 Toyota 86 GT Coupe, stock reference number 4244. This shape runs from the 4th month 2012 and is the current shape. It has an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine, backed by a 5-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the right-hand headlight, halogen type, right fog light, right bumper indicator, left fog light and bumper indicator. Left guard has damage on the front corner, suit private or track car. This vehicle is fitted with a set of work 18-inch alloy mags, all with good tyres, no rash. Left hand power door mirror, left door has a couple of small dents. Left rear deep dish work 18-inch alloy mag with a good Petrol 595 SS tyre. Left hand tail light, it's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Boot lid with a leg sport style spoiler. Right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch alloy work aftermarket mag as a set with a good tyre. Right door, a couple of small dents. Right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and right front work racing alloy mag and an 18-inch good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and red cloth interior. It's got a black center console, 6-speed manual, gear shifter, heated controls, left hand sun visor, courtesy lamp, interior mirror, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.